Today I got to show you this. So it's an Optimus Prime, and today I got it for my birthday, and so I want to see how to transform it back and transform it out because it's kind of difficult and it might sound confused. So be careful. So this, you know his name, Optimus. He might look different, but that's how they did it. Crazy. This is the back. That's where the front is. Crazy, huh? So so first to transform it back is lower his head. Now he doesn't have a head. Oh, I got the wall. Now we put his hands up, fold them like this, and turn them back. And connect them into there. Now you twist it around. See? Now we got the front. Now this is the snap part. So I usually pull. See? Now I open it. Now snap. Now snap. But it might snap your finger, so be careful. Just do that pull, okay? Now we got this truck mode. Now I'll teach you how to transform it up. Same thing. A bit of the same. Just do it backward. Do this first. Yeah. Looks like you go, I'm walking backward. I'm walking backward. You'll fix that in a minute. Then we separate his hands. Look, there's his head. Pop, 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 pop. Now we put his hands up like this. Then twist him all around to here. Now last thing to make him powered up. Boom, boom, boom. Hiya! Ready for action. Hiya! Mega Punch! He is cool. I like him. He's my first one. Well, I might get more Transformers. Yeah. And they're amazing. I like action figures, like Optimus Prime action figures. And you know what? This is my first one. And I like doing this. Truck, that mode. He's like, I don't have a head, but I'm so first to ride. I'm going to fight you down my head. Punch! Oh, I can't see. There's a monster. I can't see. No idea. Oh, there he is. I'll shoot you, punching Optimus Prime. Punch. Okay, bye. And bye. See you later for some more Transformers. Bye. Oh, bye. Bye. I can try to sing. Bye.